Good day. In this video, I'm going to work on the stream or creek or ditch, whatever you want to call it. See if we can get this thing rolling while I'm waiting for the those buildings that come in from Barnes & Mills. So we'll get that done because that's in the middle of everything. So with that, let's get to it. All right. I got the stone bridge in there. Made up the sculpting mold, really like watery, and squeezed it down in there. Then I took a piece of plastic pipe and I just went in there and rounded around, make the channel coming out. Got this painted and all glued down. So now I'll start getting this built up with the sculpting mold, work my way down. But the bridge looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'm going to keep it. Gives a little character. All right, let's see if we can get this little stream thing going here. It's a little bit of a stretch for me here. The stream favors more the front of the layout. And I'm standing in the front, I can't see this, so I have to come here on the back. I'm on a step stool, reaching over, knocking trees down. I'm sorry if it's in the camera, but I can't get one good angle. And this is kind of boring. That's about it for this mix. Almost made it. All right, as a start, I can mix up more, finish this side, then I can get around the front and get that there. I'm not too sure how I wanted to do this, so I'm just going to start and go and see how it looks and do what I have to do, change or whatever I have to do, but we'll see. All right, on this side of the layout, which I call it basically the front, I wanted to give a little bit more character to this side of the bank of the creek. So I had thought about putting some little rocks here and there, but I think I kind of like this. I want to cut this foam out and set this down in there. These I'm just going to put Sculpt mold and put them like that. And this over here, this right in here, I'm just going to bring Sculpt, make like a little platform here, like maybe the people can come down, like we're trying to fish or something in that little pond area. That's my thought right now. So what I'm going to do is get back over here and cut this out. And then, like I said, I'm just going to stuff them Sculpt mold in there and see what that looks like. All right, so that's pretty much, I think, what I'm going to try with the rocks, see how that looks. Because this when it's all done, I mean, once I get the Sculpt mold, it kind of hides a lot, and then you know, I'll put some weeds and stuff. You'll see some of the rock won't be as bulky as that, but it'll give it, I think, hopefully, give it a little bit of a character. All right, so I'm going to mix up some more Sculpt mold and see if we can get this put in. Okay, let's get this Sculpt mold on the road here. You see where I knocked off one of the trees on the other side. One reason why I didn't glue too much of these trees in. Get a little base here. Get my glasses on so I can see a little bit better. All right, first off, I'll put it upside down. I think I'll leave it that way. So my hands or arms get in the way. And put a little bit more in there. One more. get this base in here, creek bed. All right, you get the drift. Let me finish this up. All right, now I got all that done, rock, and all the way over there, I put a little rock on the end, that little ledge. I know it don't look like much. Hopefully when we get the rock painted and get things painted up a little bit, it'll start taking shape, I hope. All right, sorry if the camera shakes a little bit. I'm holding this thing set on the tripod. But one thing I did change was I was going to have a spillway on both sides here. But after looking at the creek and so forth, it just looks like it would be too much spillway for a little creek area. So I put this in, and actually I like it because it gave me a little bit of space. If I can get over here. I don't know if you can see it, but right in here, the road was right on the corner, so it gave me a little bit of ground. I think I'm going to make some kind of guardrail for here too. But anyhow, that's where it's at. I won't be able to finish up the creek until I make this spillway here. Then I'll finish putting this in here. That's about it. Coming along. All right, so up here at the top I have this little pool from the water coming out of the mountain. This is going to come down here. I painted some brown paint, somewhat matched that mud stuff I got over there. So I'm going to try. I've seen a couple other YouTubers. They just use a clear glossy glue. So I got some Mod Podge glue here. I'm going to use this as a test pattern to see. Now I use this on my HO layout on the water features to make like waves and ripples. So it does eventually go clear. But my thing is right now is wondering how long it's going to take to dry clear. I don't know how much I can pour at one time. So we're going to see. All right. So we'll see what happens with that. And here's the Mod Podge gloss glue that I put in the other day. It actually is starting to dry, but it's also got cracks in it. I don't know. I don't think this is going to work. I think it's too cold. But I'm going to let that go until it dries and see what it looks like. And I know I have to probably put something over it again, but don't look like the glue is going to work, especially in this cold climate right now.